I had nominated you, Candace, and you, Jesse, for eviction. Candace, I think you're beautiful. I really know there's true great qualities about you. I kind of question your loyalty to some of the people in the house. A little bit of a drama queen. I don't like, not considering that you are a tattletale or a rat. I don't like that, and I wish you the best of luck and continue to play for Power Veto and just be the best that you can be. Once again, I'm sorry. It stinks to be the head of household and nominate two people, but I wish you the best of luck, and I truly mean that. Okay. Jesse, baby girl, I'm sorry. I nominated you because I think you're a flip-flopper. I think that's worse in my book, meaning I think you flip-flop to different sides of the house. And once again, I don't necessarily think that I can trust you. I all wish you the best of luck. Play hard, put your heart and soul into it, and Jen, I'm gonna kick your butt. And this nomination ceremony is adjourned.